How to fix GCash app can't buy load issue. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble buying load on the GCash app, you are in the right place. Today I'll show you a few quick steps to solve this issue so you can load up in no time. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Here's what to do. Ensure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if that resolves the problem. A weak internet connection can cause issues when trying to buy load. Before buying load, double check that you have enough cash balance. Open the GCash app and check your balance on the home screen. If your balance is low, try cashing in more funds and then attempt to buy load again. Next, update the GCash app. An outdated app can sometimes cause glitches. Here's how to check. Go to App Store or Google Play Store and search for GCash and see if there is an update available. If there is, install it as updates often fix bugs and improve functionality. Next, clear cache. Clearing the cache can help if you are still having trouble. Go to Settings, then tap on Application, then go to GCash and select Storage and Clear Cache. This can remove temporary files that may be causing the issue. If none of these steps work, it's best to reach out to GCash support for help. In the GCash app, go to Help Center and select Contact Support. Explain the issue with buying load and they will assist you further. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps help you fix the can't buy load issue in GCash app. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.